Hello everyone, this is Eric with ReLISTO. I am very excited to be sharing with you 1236 Francisco, apartment number 3. This is a top floor penthouse unit. There's only 2 units on this floor. And as you can see, it is spacious. The owner just remodeled, brand new kitchen, resurfaced the hardwood floors. So light filled in here, it's just amazing. This is the dining room, or breakfast nook area, I should say. You can have like a little breakfast table here, big kitchen, all new appliances. Check out, now this is a Mediterranean Spanish style. So you have spice rack here, lots of closets, cabinet space, 5-burner stove. There's a place for your, for your clothes, to iron your clothes. And then you got a slimline refrigerator, really deep sink, dishwasher, a little bar seating right there. Gorgeous fixtures. The owner really did a nice job on fixing this up. And you can see there's additional cabinetry there as well. All right, let's turn around because here is the dining room. So this is absolutely a room that can be flexed. So it's technically a dining room because it's right next to the kitchen, but there's lots of light coming in. Big closet, which we'll show you from right here. So we'll enter here and look at how spacious this is. We have shelving. You can put, a bike. You could put a kayak in here. It's so big. Really amazing. Nice thing about this dining room too is that these French doors, I don't know if you can see, they adorn the property. Just really gorgeous. So let's turn around. This would be this could be the living room. It's gated with a decorative fence. This is wrought iron, very detailed. Just gorgeous, and it matches the whole flavor of the room. You have sconces that adorn the walls, tall ceilings. You can hear the echo, most likely, just because there's so much space here. This is the bedroom. Again, lots of light flowing through here. This property is only a couple of blocks from the waterfront. There is garage parking that's available. There is a backyard. Look how big this walk-in closet is. And you might not be able to appreciate this from the video, but this is almost a double-size, double-wide door. It's so big. Let's just scan this once more. Take a look at these electrical outlets. A lot of older properties have these 2-prong outlets, not this one. They redid all the electrical. You can bring all your appliances and you'll be doing well. So linen closet, and then you have another walk-in closet. Here you can see that there is window treatments the owner has ready for you. All right, and then we turn the corner here and we enter this gorgeous bathroom. It's all tile lined. Owner just re-enameled the tub, so it's sparkling white. I think she also re-enameled the shower there. It's just gorgeous. And of course you have a nice medicine cabinet, vanity, just gorgeous. And then coming around, this looks like at the front door, you have a little foyer area here. So let's do a really quick walkthrough just of the apartment. So you have the breakfast area, gorgeous modern kitchen. One thing I didn't show you was the back here. There's laundry downstairs. Here's your little laundry cabinet. So you get to put, laundry soap, etc. right there. As we turn around, again, breast fix area, cabinetry, dining room area, lots of light, huge walk-in closet, wrought iron decorative gates, big living room, 3-prong outlets everywhere. Again, giant master bedroom, if you will. These lights are also on dimmer. All the lights are on dimmer, so that's nice. linen closet, walk-in closet, and then a really fresh, lovely bathroom. All right, again, let us know if you're interested. There is parking available. There is a backyard, which you can see the pictures online. Visit us online, look at below for the link, and we'll look forward to seeing you. All right, cheers, bye-bye.